Good morning, ladies. Thanks for joining me today for another card kit. And today I am going to share with you the new stamp set called Celebrate Sunflowers and the dies that go with it called Sunflowers. The detail die is just amazing. It cuts out so much, and I wanted to show you a trick. I've already cut this for you, but should you purchase this, you see these three kind of curved petals? That's how I've been able to line it up, because it lines up perfectly with the outline. Here you can see the three. Okay, you can see that. So when you go to die cut this, it matches up exactly. All right. So we're using the stamp set. Well, I didn't use the stamp set because I can't stamp it for you, but this is the stamp set. It's really beautiful. I've been having a lot of fun coloring this sunflower. You might have seen that on Facebook. I used the Hello from Good Morning Magnolia, and these are the new enamel dots. And they're really nice because they're not that high, so it'll be easier to mail them. Really pretty colors. Okay, so in your kit, you've got a note card, and you've got a piece of DSP, and this DSP is called In Good Taste. And there's some really neat patterns in here. Some I'm not too crazy about, but at least the other side is something that I'm happy with. So you've got a piece of that for your background. You've got the sunflower, so you do need to match them up. So remember what I said about the three curved petals right up here. You've got an inside piece of the sunflower. I just glued mine down, but you could very well pop this up with dimensionals. And I just glued the sunflower to the card. You've got the leaf. By the way, this color here on top is the new Bumblebee color. Underneath it, I use So Saffron. This is Bumblebee, Soft Suede. And then this is the new Just Jade. And you've got this little flag piece, and you've got one of the enamel dots. So really easy peasy little note card. I hope you have fun with it, and I hope to see you guys real soon. Miss you. Take care. Bye.